How far will people go to please the crowd? As you'll see tonight, much farther than you'd ever think.
At the University of California, Santa Cruz, to replicate Dr. Solomon Asch's classic 1950s conformity study. They did what Asch did, design a simple exercise matching the line on the left with the one of identical length on the right, and then have the students who were plants give intentionally wrong answers, claiming, for example, line 1 on this card is the right match.
1.
1.
1. 1.
1.
The subjects, always in seat 6, are then faced with the experiment's fundamental question: conform by giving answers they know to be absurdly wrong, or defy the group and give answers they know to be correct.
Go ahead.
And there was one more part of the experiment, designed to draw the subjects in and make the exercise more convincing.
2.
Initially, the plants actually give the correct answers.
2.
2.
2.
2.
At least the first few times.
We have consensus.
But as the rounds continue and the plants do give those wrong answers, try playing along. Watch these subjects, who were told they were part of a visual perception experiment, respond to the mounting pressure of the group solidarity. And ask yourself, what would you do? We'll start with Marie. As she hears the clearly wrong answers,
1.
1.
she glances at the leader, seemingly for help. Yet, she sticks to her guns and defies the group.
3.
And keeps disagreeing.
3. 3.
3.
Although her resistance is never easy.
1.
As Marie stares intently at this card, she can't believe her ears.
1.
1.
1.
The urge to join the group and conform builds with each wrong answer, and she suffers for every right answer she gives.
2.
What does she finally do?
3.
3.
3.
2.
She would not conform.
There was a lot of pressure in that room. There was a lot of tension that I felt. I can see where somebody would buckle and just lose it.
And you didn't like being different?
No, but I didn't want to be wrong either.
Up next, Brian. What will he do?
1.
1.
The first few times the plants pick the obviously incorrect line, Brian confidently defies the group.
1. 3.
Confident because just look at the card. Of course, the only logical answer is 3. And this card, nobody could possibly say anything but 3 is the correct answer here as well, right? Just watch.
2.
Notice Brian's eyes start to droop, and listen to his voice get softer
3.
when the group gets it wrong again. And again.
3.
3. 2.
For 4 rounds now, he's been fighting the good fight against conformity.
3.
3.
But with the pressure mounting,
3.
3. 3.
he just can't fight anymore.
3.
And in succeeding rounds, with Brian continuing to give answers he knows to be wrong,
2. 2.
he only gets sadder and softer.
3.
By the final trial, he's a thoroughly beaten man.
1.
I gave up.
1.
There were times when I didn't even look at the lines and said the answer. I became quiet, decided that I wasn't playing the game right, so I just played along.
One of the participants in our demonstration was a bit different. This man, George, older and an artist.
Basically, I consider myself to be a nonconformist.
And one of the student plants sized him up exactly that way.
I felt he would take one look at us and say, bunch of kids, and then go his own way.
Would he?
2.
2.
2.
3.
He holds out for 2 rounds. But what happens on the very next round?
3.
3.
3.
3.
3.
A total reversal. And what about the next round?
3.
3.
3.
George, it so happens, not only goes along, he dives in head first.
1.
He gives wrong answers with an air of total certainty.
3.
I didn't want to be different anymore. The pressure got to me, and I caved in.
3.
3. Even though I knew it wasn't the truth, it made me feel more comfortable.
In the conformity test you just saw, nearly 60% of the subjects, 9 of 16, succumbed to the group pressure.